this video, I will show you how to create WeChat account. Firstly, as you open up that application, the main point right here, it is to log in right there or go sign up. As you want to create the account, just go right there. And you can sign up via mobile or you can take it up via Facebook. For example, if you go via Facebook, you're gonna see that the first thing what you need to do it is to go and log in into your Facebook session. And as you get done with all that stuff, then you're gonna be available to get on that selection. And as you can see right here, firstly it has a requesting system which will get to my pointless setup. Yeah, and I'm not gonna go with Facebook because I have changed my mind. I will go with mobile. And right from there, yeah, here you need to add your name, for example CR7, and here you need to add your country, region setup, and I'm gonna search for my site, which is Macedonia, and I'm gonna go right there and simply type for Macedonia. Just go find it out, and as you go and type your name, and here you need to enter your mobile number. I'm gonna type it right now, and as you get done with all that stuff, it will take up to your mainless pointless selection, which you'll get on the privacy policy. And as you get right there, yeah, firstly here you need to go ahead, read and accept above terms, then go next, and as you get done with all that stuff, go again next, and yeah, again, because that will take up to the main session. And as you get right there again, here are all informations which are taking on your site. This is why I'm hiding it, because they are personal informations which are not for useless or simply creating any effects on it. As you can see right now, it will take up to the main point, or simply as you can see it says security verification. Just go start and it will go to send coding session, which you need simply to go and check it out the code from your phone, and it will take up to the main session.